Well, I need to make a greeting card, or a birthday card, sorry, for the man who taught me MS-DOS over 14 years ago. He's 70 years old now. And I figure what would be more fitting than to create a card on a 22-year-old Apple II. So, here we go. I'm using Card and Poster Factory, which is basically a trial version of card creation software from 1994. Probably one of the very last of the Apple II software. Okay, so I'm going to select a border for my cover here. I think I'm going to use the simple but true ribbon. Okay, we're going to do return for done. We're going to do our pictures. Oops. There we go. Pictures. I'm going to do a photo of a dinosaur. Because, you know what? I think I'm going to do one of the former presidents. Why don't we do Washington? Ah, here we go. That's better. That's good. I'm going to put that right down there. Okay. Now we need words. After all, this is a birthday card. So, let's do W for words. Okay. It says, let's select the font. We're gonna do, come on. I'll call you back. Bye. Okay, let's make it smaller. Now let's do centered. Okay, done. Escape, restart. Why don't we do the inside? We're going to do a picture of a dinosaur. Why don't we do a triceratops? No, that's too stupid. Do a T-Rex. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is shrink it down. That's too damn big. We're going to put it over here, and there we go. Give myself some space to write, and move it over a little bit. No, too far. Right there is good. Done. Now, words. Alright, done. Do plain text. And we're going to make it smaller. And we're going to move it like that, align it to the center, and done. Okay, now we need to print the back. So I'm going to change my view to the back. I'm going to do a picture of an Apple IIe. You'll see why in a minute. Well, first there's no 2GS's, and you know, well, what the hell. Let's do this Apple IIe. And we're going to move it to the right about there, and we're done. Okay. Okay. Give credit where credit is due. It says, this card was created on a 22-year-old Apple IIgs. And we're going to make it smaller. And we're going to move it down. And then we're going to have some pie. Kidding, no pie. Done. Now let's print this bastard. So now that we've done our back view, our front view, and our inside, we're going to do print now, which is the N key. Print. Yes, I do want to print it. Okay, and we're done. Now, we need to fold it into the shape of a greeting card. Oh, I cleaned up my work area just a little bit. Alright. Now, let's tear off the tractor feed. Crap. These cards are excellent for birthdays, especially when you've forgotten about them, and not recommended for anniversaries. You will likely be divorced the very next day when you hand your wife a card like this on the anniversary of your marriage. I do not suggest doing that. But nothing says, I forgot your birthday, like a homemade card printed on an Apple IIgs. And that's all we have for now. Have a nice day.